This is in Astoria, Oregon. You should be able to recognize that Highway 101 bridge across the Columbia River. I'm walking along the railroad. I think it's officially the Portland and Western Railroad, although it is severed from the rest of the rail network by a bridge problem. There's 3 tracks here. I'm assuming one is the main line, and well, anyway, this is the dead end of the railroad. But anyway, as you can see, there's an old passenger car here, terrible condition. Looks like the bottom part's fine. It might roll, but the inside's all torn up and vandalized. Ugh. Got somebody with a gasoline powered car who's very proud of it, apparently. But anyway, yeah, you notice there's a cool huge door here for like baggage, etc. It's obviously made of steel, very, very rusted. Like this is where the stairs should be. The stairs are gone. I'd love to check it out, but it's obviously private property. In fact, if you look up there in doorway, it says no trespassing. That's quite unfortunate. I'd definitely love to check that out. Here's another piece of a rail car of some sort. I think it'd be a piece of a tender car, but you look at how old it is. It's got rivets instead of welding. So very, very old, obsolete, rust. Something that looks like St. Mary trolley, maybe? I don't know, I can't really read it. And then here you got a tender car. Looks like it's in very, very good condition, which is ironic because I don't think they have any steam locomotives around here. So it's like, what in the world do they need a tender car for? Besides, it's used as a jungle gym, of course. Notice the tracks are very rusty. I think this first track is used by the Astoria trolley, and the other 2 tracks are not used at all. Let's see, I think about 11:30 a.m. right now. I think it's supposed to start running at noon, so I'm a little bit early.